Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, Thursday, May the 5th 2022, Liberation Day today. I have already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars. There are 3 puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars, the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. I won't do them all. There are 9 puzzles in this additional. 5 of them I will solve and 3 are left. First I will solve the binary puzzle number 4508. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. I know, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So 1 box left for the O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Well, we need to compare, How about this column and that column? 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the 2 other puzzles, tectonic with the 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.